I'm Bob, and today we're talking about a paradox that haunts the smartest people I know. There is one habit that quietly separates people who build real wealth from people who only look smart, and it's not what you think. It's not a lack of effort, but a trap of overanalysis.
You have the capacity to learn anything, yet your bank account doesn't reflect your IQ. Today, we're breaking down 5 psychological reasons why brilliant people stay broke and how to fix it. We're going to dismantle the analysis paralysis trap once and for all. Reason 1. The perfect strategy myth. You believe there's a secret, flawless path to wealth that you just haven't discovered yet. You spend months reading, researching, and tweaking your plan while the person with half your brain is already making money.
This is what I call the treadmill trap. You are running fast, burning energy, but staying in the exact same spot. Every day you don't start, you lose the most valuable currency you have, time. But wait, reason 2 is where almost everyone slips up.
Reason 2. The identity crisis of the expert. You've built your identity around being the person who knows everything, so you're terrified of the beginner phase. You'd rather remain a broke genius than risk looking like a novice who might fail. Think about it. Would you rather have the ego of a master or the bank account of an amateur? The reality is, wealth requires doing messy, small things that feel beneath your intellect. I'll tell you why this kills your progress in a second. Reason 3. Information overload as a shield. You treat consumption of content as a productive act. You watch videos, listen to podcasts, and read articles, tricking your brain into feeling like you're actually building wealth when you're just procrastinating. Studies show that nearly 40% of people spend more time planning their investments than actually executing them. You're using learning as a shield against the fear of failure. It's time to put the books down and pick up the tools. I lived this myself. For years, I was the guy with the perfect budget spreadsheet but zero net worth. I thought the numbers would save me, but I was just hiding behind the math. I had to stop being a student of money and become a player. The shift happened when I stopped trying to be right and started trying to be consistent. Once I accepted that a good enough plan today beats a perfect plan tomorrow, my finances flipped. I went from broke to building, and you can too. Which of these 3 are you right now? Are you the over-researcher, the ego-driven master, or the information junkie? Be honest, because you can't fix a problem you refuse to acknowledge. Let's move to reason 4. Reason 4. The BMW versus Honda trap. You feel that because you're intelligent, you deserve a certain lifestyle before you've actually earned the cash flow to support it. You equate spending on status with proof of your success. True wealth isn't about what you can buy. It's about what you can keep. You are trapping yourself in a treadmill trap of monthly payments that keep you working for someone else instead of building your own empire. It's a vicious cycle. You work harder to pay for the status symbol, which leaves you with less brain power to build your wealth. Don't let your possessions become your prison. The last reason is the one almost nobody actually admits. Reason 5. Fear of responsibility. If you stay broke, you have an excuse. You can blame the system, your boss, or the market. But if you actually execute and succeed, you have to own your life completely. Success is scarier than failure because success demands you to step up. When you build wealth, the safety net of being a victim disappears. But remember, your potential is wasted if it never turns into impact. Intelligence is a tool, not a substitute for action. You don't need more information, you need less hesitation. Stop trying to predict the future and start building your present. That is the only real path to wealth. Recapping: drop the perfect strategy, shed the expert ego, stop hiding in content, kill the status spending, and embrace the responsibility of your own success. These 5 shifts will change your trajectory starting today. This is how you become the person money works for, not the other way around. Don't just watch this video. Apply one of these changes this afternoon. It's time to move from being brilliant but broke to being wealthy and wise. If you found value in this, hit that subscribe button for more reality checks from Bob Builds Wealth. Leave a comment below. Which of these traps are you falling into? I'm Bob. I'll see you in the next one. Wait, before you go, remember, Intelligence is only potential energy. Kinetic energy is what builds the bank account. Don't leave your potential sitting on the shelf gathering dust.
The treadmill trap is designed to keep you comfortable. It feels like progress, but it's just busy work. Breaking free requires a shift in how you view your daily output.
Most people spend their entire lives preparing to live. Don't spend your life preparing to get rich. Start the business, invest the money, and learn as you go. That's the real secret.
Your brain is your best asset, but it can also be your worst enemy if it's constantly overthinking. Give your mind a break and trust your intuition. You already know what to do.
Money isn't just paper, it's a reflection of the value you provide to the world. If you want more money, stop focusing on the math and start focusing on the value.
I've seen so many smart people get distracted by shiny objects. Stay focused on your core goal and tune out the noise. That is the discipline that wealth requires. You don't need a massive salary to start building wealth. You need a massive mindset shift. It starts with the very next dollar you have in your pocket. I'm here to help you navigate this path, but the walking is all on you. Take the step today, even if it feels small. Small steps eventually lead to giant leaps.
The trap is often what I call optimization paralysis. You spend weeks calculating the perfect dividend yield or tax-advantaged account, while your cash sits in a low-interest checking account, losing value to inflation. Perfection isn't just the enemy of good, it's the primary thief of your compounding potential.
Brilliant people treat their finances like an academic thesis that needs constant revision, rather than a simple system that needs execution. You don't get paid for having the smartest plan. You get paid for having the most consistent actions. Your degree and your IQ points are useless if they prevent you from actually entering the market. The world needs your unique contribution, but you can't provide it if you're stuck in the cycle of broke. Financial freedom gives you the liberty to be your true self. Thanks for being part of this journey. We're building something real here at Bob Builds Wealth. See you in the next breakdown, where we tackle the next big money hurdle.
Before you go, 2 quick things. If this helped you, tap like and hit subscribe. That's how you get more videos like this, and it tells the algorithm to show this to more people who need it. And if you know someone this could help, send them the link. You might just change their day. That's how Bob Builds Wealth grows and reaches more people like you. I'm Bob. See you in the next one.